Princess Ezzah. We're on the dollar tree. We're at some baby shark puzzle. You to get the baby shark puzzle with me? Okay, let's go inside together. You see some flowers? Open this one. Let's go find the puzzle. Let's go this way. Let's go this way. Let's go this way. Wow, so many puzzles. I'll have this one. Daddy, can you help me? I want a baby shark puzzle. Please.
Close up.
Yay! I got my baby shark puzzle. Hey guys, let's go to video puzzle. Let's play 4 puzzles. Baby shark, can I play for that? Okay. Okay, fine. You check my puzzle. Okay, thank you. Mommy shark, Mommy shark. I got the baby shark puzzle. Hey guys, I'm Ezzah. Today we're making a puzzle. Let me see. Guys, let's go inside. Wow. So many puzzles are here. Inside. For today, we're making a puzzle today. And we're having so much fun. Or today, we're making a puzzle today. Inside is this one turtle dots. Yeah. And all the puzzles are here. And मैं इसमें हटा दूंगी.
Start.
And this one, see it's going inside? No. This one corner is not going inside. How about this one corner is the watching my YouTube channel. Bye! Na 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 na. Na Today we'll have a button for me. And some sardines for me.